For this video log, I read Chapter 30, Teaching for Fluency Across Instructional Contexts. This chapter was talking about different strategies during reading instruction time to promote fluency, and one specific grouping of it that I focused on was whole class reading instruction to help with fluency. And a couple of the 12 strategies that they gave in the book I wanted to point out was number 3, focus on the meaning of text and reflect the meaning with your voice, making the meaning of the text really important to students, especially when you're modeling to students. Number 4, demonstrate rereading to gain full understanding, making sure students know that it is okay to reread text to be able to understand what we're reading. We're not just reading to get through a text, but to comprehend and to be fluent in that content that we just read. Number 7 talks about teaching students to use partner reading, and I thought this was cool because doing partner reading with like similar level texts that are maybe like right on level or even a little bit below, and they may feel like it's easy, but the goal of it is to teach students to be comprehending and not just reading through a book to read right through it, but to really comprehend the meat that's in that story. And number 10 was another one that I picked out, was having students select some poems to memorize. I thought that was a great way to get students to become fluent in reading and encourage like development with that. A quote that I found at the beginning of the chapter was, successful teaching for fluent reading depends on using appropriate materials. For any reader at any level, there is an inverse relationship between text difficulty and fluency. And basically, I just felt like that was really important. And it basically just goes into the whole chapter of all the different strategies and showing that, yes, it may be a difficult text, but there is a relationship between fluency and getting students to read at any level by using strategies. And a question I have is, what are some good, fun poems to use for memorization? Just because I never really memorized poems when I was younger, and I know it is a pretty common thing, but yeah, I was just curious on that.